Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting cable, puck, and power source. Why this matters is simple. Damaged parts create intermittent contact. Plug the charger into a known good 5V/1A outlet or USB-C PD port to rule out weak power. Once done, detach and reattach the magnetic puck to the back of the watch, aligning center dots. Make sure to wipe both surfaces and clear lint so charging contacts mate correctly. This quick cycle often restores normal charging without further steps. You now isolate the problem with controlled swaps. Testing the watch with another charger shows whether the puck or watch is at fault. If swapping chargers fails, perform a force restart. Hold the side button and crown for about 10 seconds, because software stalls can block charging. If charging works on another adapter, make sure to replace the faulty wall adapter or cable. Replace only with MFI or Apple-certified parts to avoid voltage mismatches that can harm the battery or puck. You finish by verifying the watch shows charging indicators and normal temperature. A swollen battery or moisture can prevent charging and requires immediate service. Make sure to update watch OS because firmware can fix charging logic. Once updated, reconnect the charger and watch to confirm. If problems persist, try one key troubleshooting tip. Test with a different certified charger and outlet. If that still fails, stop DIY repairs to avoid voiding warranty and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.